If you're looking for a reliable replacement for your GM vehicle's keyless entry remote, the ACDelco GM Original Equipment 4-button remote is worth considering. This remote includes lock, unlock, panic, and trunk buttons, covering all your basic needs with ease. Plus, it comes with a battery included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Designed as the GM recommended replacement, this remote matches the performance and durability of your original keyless entry device. It's built specifically to fit GM vehicles, ensuring a seamless experience without the guesswork or compatibility issues you might face with aftermarket options. One of the standout benefits is the option for DIY programming. Depending on your vehicle, you might be able to program this remote yourself, saving you a trip to the dealer. However, some models still require programming at a GM dealer or an ACDelco service center. The included instructions clearly outline what's needed for your specific vehicle. Choosing genuine ACDelco means you get the same quality and service life you expect from General Motors. After years of experience with OEM remotes, many users find that aftermarket alternatives fall apart quickly. One customer shared how their original OEM remotes lasted over a decade, while cheaper replacements failed within months. When buying, authenticity matters. Some sellers mix OEM and aftermarket products, which can lead to disappointment. Buying directly from Amazon or an authorized dealer ensures you receive a brand new ACDelco remote, complete with official packaging. This guarantees you get the real deal, not a generic knockoff. The remote arrives in a sealed ACDelco product bag, the same packaging used by GM dealers for small OEM parts. This attention to detail confirms the product's authenticity and quality. Once programmed, the remote works flawlessly, offering the same dependable performance as your original device. If you want a replacement that lasts, fits perfectly, and feels like the original, the ACDelco GM Original Equipment 4-button keyless entry remote is a solid choice. It's a practical investment that keeps your vehicle secure and your convenience intact. Worth a look if you're tired of flimsy aftermarket remotes or want to avoid unnecessary dealer visits. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your keyless entry with confidence and peace of mind.